Encountering an invalid SIM card error on your total wireless device can be frustrating. This issue typically stems from a few common causes: physical damage or debris on the SIM, software glitches, activation problems, or ICCID mismatches. First, power off your phone. Then, use a SIM ejector tool or a paperclip to remove the SIM card. Carefully inspect the SIM for any visible dirt, dust, or damage. Use a soft, dry cloth to gently clean the gold contacts. Reseat the SIM firmly in its tray, ensuring it's properly aligned. Power your phone back on and see if the error is resolved. This simple cleaning and reseating process resolves most SIM card detection issues. If cleaning and reseating doesn't work, verify your ICCID. This unique identifier helps confirm your SIM is valid. On Android, navigate to Settings, then About Phone, then Status to find your ICCID. On iOS, go to General, then About to view your ICCID. Compare the displayed ICCID to the number printed on your SIM card. If they don't match or the ICCID isn't recognized, reactivate through the Total Wireless app or website. Enter your IMEI and ICCID. If reactivation fails, contact support for a free SIM replacement for active plans. Enable two-factor authentication to protect against SIM swapping scams.